Magnet so well, it'll take her ages to find it. Now let's get Snore-A-Saurus safely to bed. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
Oh, sorry. No more messing around.
'Cause in the night, we save the
day! Hey, Cameron, what are you doing?
Nothing. I mean, this is harder than it looks.
Yeah, but I'll show you how.
Check it out! It's walking!
Yeah, and smelling a yummy cookie.
Uh-oh, my Gekko-mobile. If I can't have my ninja bus, then I'll have a PJ Mask vehicle instead. And painted ninja black and ninja blue. Catboy Owlette, I need your help! I'm coming, Gekko! Na 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 na. Ha! Finally free!
Hey, Night Ninja! 3 PJ Masks helping each other beats all your Ninjalinos. PJ Masks, go! Super Cat Speed!
You don't scare me, lizard legs. Just wait until I figure out these controls. How does this silly thing work? Oh, keep your silly bus and Gekko-mobile then. But you won't beat me so easily next time, PJ Masks.
Yes, we will. Because as long as the PJ Masks look after each other, we can't be beat. And you can help me with one more thing. Repainting this bus and putting it back the way it's supposed to be. PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
'Cause in the night, we save the day! It's good to have the old school bus back.
And we got it by all looking out for each other.
So today, I'm not jumping for any books. I'm going to let my friends help me.
Great, Greg. What else can we help you with?
Maybe some clay modeling in art class.
Sure.
And
Yes?
carrying my lunch. And my homework. And the castle model I'm building.
Right.
Oh, and my sticker books. And my tree house. Chores.
Sticky splat, sticky splat. Look out! Oh, stop helping him, you tiny Ninjalino! Super Cat Speed!
Gotcha!
Ooh. Oh, it's not fair! You PJ Masks always ruin all my plans.
Catboy, what are you doing?
Helping. A hero helps anyone, even Night Ninja.
Oh, I suppose you're right, tiny Ninjalino. I should say thank you. Come on, Ninjalinos.
I guess this is goodbye.
Why are you patting me?
I think it wants to play. It's really good at tag.
Tag? Oh, think I can't catch you? Well, no one's better at tag than me. Gotcha. You're it.
That should keep Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos busy for a while. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Thanks for helping with my homework, you guys.
No problem, Cameron. We're always happy to help, right?
Yeah, no worries.
Great, because I need help with something else.
What's that?
Playing tag. Tag!
Tag! Oh, missed! All this chasing's starting to wear me out. Maybe if Night Ninja and his Ninjalinos get angry, they'll mess up too. Come on, PJ Masks!
Welcome to the best ninja TV show ever! You won't believe what you're about to see.
Show's over, Night Ninja. Hand over that sword.
As if, kitty. As long as I have it, you PJ Masks don't stand a chance.
Don't you try drawing that sword, Night Ninja. Only Master Fang can do that. No, stay calm, Catboy. Hey, Ninjalinos, how come you aren't allowed to play with the sword?
Maybe you aren't good enough. It's too beautiful for them, right, Night Ninja?
What? No, that's not it. It's just that I'm better at using it than you. No! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Get off! No, my sword! Stop filming them! I'm the star of the show! Stop shouting! You Ninjalinos make me so mad!
Great job, guys. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause we stay calm and save the day! Let's see if Master Fang's show is back on.
Welcome back, Master Fang fans, and special thanks to whoever returned my sword.
Yeah, whoever that was. Hi-ya! Whoa!
You haven't quite got that move yet, but don't be mad. Yeah, no need to get angry when you mess up, right?
Don't worry, I'll just keep trying till I get it. Hi-ya! Help! Ah! Ew! No water! Ah! I'm coming! Ah! Phew, that was close.
Thanks, Owlette. No problem.
Sorry I was mean to you before, Gekko.
Me too, Catboy. I guess we got carried away. No, you two. It was my fault. I'm sorry I made everything into a competition. Just because I wanted to win all the time. Get off of me, you big-eared bozo! Luna Girl's not giving up. A little bird tells me that we should stop trying to compete and win this together. Yeah! Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Ready for another round, Moths?
Up here, Luna Girl!
What? Yeah! Hey, give me that back! Got the whistle! Game over, Luna Girl. You PJ Pests ruined everything! Oh, stop it, Moths. You're all winners, okay? Lunarboard, get me out of here! I'll win next time, PJ Masks! Looks like Luna Girl's had enough of trying to win, just like me.
And now, we've got some toys to return.
Whoever carries the most wins!
Huh?
Just kidding!
Huh?
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! Hey, Cameron! We found the whistle.
Great, thanks!
Hey, Amaya, ready to play with us?
Sure. Come on, team. Let's play! Moss, are you coming too? We'd really like that.
Yeah, I promise I'll be nice to you.
No, 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 no! feel sorry for Luna Girl.
Sorry, Moths. I won't try and replace you again. You will stay with me, won't you?
Almost home, butterflies.
PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we saved the day!
Greg, Amaya, watch. If I'm really careful and not rough. Cool, huh?
Huh. Look at these silly butterflies.
Hey, watch it.
Oh, was I too rough? Huh? Hey, what's going on? Stop it! I hate being tickled.
It's because you were rough with them, Cameron. Try being gentle.
Now what do I do?
Now you make some new butterfly friends.
Well, I guess they are kind of cool.
Sticky, splat, stuck! That'll teach you to try and spoil my party. If everyone gets stuck, no one will be able to come to Gekko's birthday party.
I'm sorry, Gekko. This is all my fault. I might have made a mistake, but now I have an idea. It's time to be a hero.
Time to blow out my candle. Huh? What's all that noise?
Remember, first one in wins.
I win! What are those PJ Pinheads doing? Huh? Wait, is that some kind of party game? Come on, one more round. Oh! Ha! Ha-ha! I'm in the Gekko-mobile, so I win. What? Uh-oh! Oh, thanks, Catboy. Stop it, Ninjalinos. It's not funny. Go! Back, you party poopers!
Auto clean.
Huh?
Do you think he'd let a cake explode in his Gekko-mobile without it?
PJ Masks, so shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we saved the day! Woohoo! Yay!
This really is an awesome party, Greg.
Thank you.
Huh? Master Fang balloons? I thought you liked lizard things better.
I do, but those are for you.
Wow, thanks, Greg. I'm going to see these for my birthday. I'm having a Master Fang party. Did I tell you? With Master Fang decorations, and a Master Fang cake, and Master Fang games, and Master Fang music, and...
PJ Statue Collection! Owlette! Owl Wing Wind! Huh? Ah! Yes! We're free! To the Owl Glider! No! My statue! I'm really sorry I took it. You're sorry? Yes. I just loved it so much.
Owlette, come on, you were right.
Yeah, she stole it, and now she admits it. So let's go.
Just a second. It's time to really be a hero. Here, I said you could have it, and I really mean it this time. Really? I can? Yes. Someone gave it to me, and now I'm giving it to you. And you know what? It does feel good. But you have to promise to give it away one day, too. Okay? Okay. Come on, Moths.
That was really nice of you, Owlette.
Well, I'm not sure she'll give it away again, but it makes her happy, so giving it to her made me happy. PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night, we save the day!
Thank you for that, Amaya, even if it wasn't quite a show and tell. More of a show and give.
Thanks, Amaya. Huh? Well, giving does make you feel good.
And it makes her feel so good that she just can't stop. Right, Amaya?
Yes! Who wants a toy truck? Or a whistle? Ooh, what else do I have? A cute hippo, elephant, walkie-talkie, a magazine all about owls, ooh, a t-shirt with a cute bunny on it, a toaster, a cup, a saucer, a fluffy kitten toy. Wow, a pair of ballet shoes.
What was that? My voice box! Careful, you non-speaking ninnies! You could have broken it!
You can't win, Romeo.
Huh? Fluttering feathers! You sound like me! And I don't sound like me!
No, you sound like me. Cat's whiskers! But I sound like Gekko! This is even better! You're all so ridiculous! Huh?
I'm behind you.
Actually, I'm here.
No, I'm here! Boo!
Ah! Stop it! Over here!
I'm here!
Here I am!
Whoa! Oh!
Which buttons do I press?
Ah! Oh, I sound like me again, not you! Phew.
Hey, what was wrong with his voice? I've got mine back too.
And I've got mine! Give me my voice box back! My voice box! Oh no! I'm losing my voice! I guess there's no more voice stealing now, Romeo. PJ Masks, so shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! I thought that this was hard to do, to recite a poem out loud to you. I thought you'd laugh and I'll make fun, but it was easy, and now I'm done.
Well done, Greg.
Your voices!
Nah, just kidding.
Boy, you can't tell them apart.
Your robots may have superpowers, but they're not friends like we are. Owlette! Gekko! Catch!
Yay! Kicking cartwheels! Swirling spin! Huh?
See, Romeo? I know who my friends are. Ready for our special move?
Yeah! Stop them! Whatever they're doing, stop them! Yay! Yeah! Whoa!
Catboy! Time to put your bad copies back to sleep, Romeo.
Ah! No! My supercomputer! You ruined my life's work! You'll pay for this next time, PJ Masks!
But it won't be for a while with the supercomputer destroyed.
Nice of Romeo to build these statues of us.
PJ Masks, all shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day! Ugh. What? They've gone again? Guys? Haha, very funny.
Well, if you had your cat speed in the day, you wouldn't take so long looking for things.
Yeah, and if Gekko had his camouflage, he wouldn't need to hide.
With or without our superpowers, we're an amazing team. PJ Masks, let's go!